We're going to make our dolls some kryptonite. Take a small, flat, and thin rock. Take mini hot glue gun sticks and cut off their edges to make a point. Paint it green with different shades, and you can even add some glitter glue to it. If you want to make a singular piece of kryptonite, it should look something like this. To make a chunk of kryptonite, cut off the end so that there's only one pointy side. Use 3 and hot glue it to that rock. To make your dolls some kryptonite. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting!